Can you hear me now? Hello? Yeah. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Oh, I'm calling out to you. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? You don't need that. Can you hear me? I'm calling out to you. Can you hear me now? Is this thing on? Can you hear me now? You don't need to do this. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Calling out to you. See, Jesus Christ always hears what you have to say to him. But you never have the time to hear what he wants to say to you. When he's calling out to you, that's the exact time that he needs you. Will you do that? Will you accept Jesus Christ in your life? Think about it.